Hi, I'm Art Vuolo, and welcome to Michigan Homecoming Weekend 1982. What you're going to see on this videotape are some of the highlights and the great things that happened on this last weekend in October. Homecoming started off with the dedication of the brand new Alumni building. Let's go take a look right now.
Well, gracefully cut through ribbon.
Hold this, you cut now. All right, here we go.
6 photographers.
1, 2, 3. There we go.